Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. Today, I am out here at the backup gun match with a Chinese mystery pistol. This is one of my actually very favorite of the models of Chinese domestic pistols. And of course, if you're interested in more about this, I am in the process of launching a book on Chinese domestic production handguns of the Warlord era. So I have a link to the Kickstarter for that book down in the description. If you're interested, check out the book for information on this, glorious pictures, all the different models, and a whole bunch more. But today, we're out at the backup gun match to actually do some shooting with it. So what we have is essentially a 10-round, single-stack, 32 caliber pistol. This is based on the Browning model of 1900 Action. So we have actually the barrel on the bottom and the recoil assembly on top. Got a 500-meter tangent sight. The back of the frame is cut for a shoulder stock. Sadly, I've yet to actually even see a picture of a shoulder stock for one of these pistols, and of course, I don't actually have one. But these are factory-produced guns. They are of remarkably good quality, and so I'm excited to actually take one through today's match and see how it all runs. So let's dive right in. All right,
Tell me when you're ready.
ready.
Shooter's ready. Stand by. All right, if you're finished, unload, show clear.
Oh, just in time. Last round malfunctioned on me, or the last one that I would have shot.
All right, I see clear. You may fire in case. Yeah.
All right, let's see how I did. So that's clean, that's clean, that's clean, and that is 4 points out of 7. So down 3 points on score. Not bad though. Yep. Gun shoots nicely.
Oh, nice.
By the way, I am cheating in this match because I am in Big 5 division because this isn't a backup size pistol. But I'm using full magazines instead of the 5-round mags you're supposed to be limited to. So my scores don't actually count here.
You gotta check out the VCDL.
All right, give me a nod when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Shooter ready, stand by. Okay, if you're finished, unload, show me clear.
So the intention there was this was 1, 2, 3. From the first position on the first target, you get 1 shot. Second position, second target, you get 2 shots. Third position, third target, you get 3 shots. Since I missed the popper with my first shot, oops, I had to finish that drill, and then I could come back to the first position and shoot it again.
All right, shooter ready.
Everyone works crazy.
Stand by.
Crazy. I didn't even know they were out there.
My last 4 years of high school, my football team, we made it to the state semifinals both years. We lost to the team.
I feel cheated there, I think. But I did get him.
Unload and show clear. Time was 16.
I knew it was going to fall. I knew that one shot, it was just going to wiggle, 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 and go over, and then it didn't. So.
Okay, you moved. So I thought you did.
So it turns out that last stage, I actually would have had a better score if I hadn't even taken the last shot, because I waited more than the 7 seconds that last target was worth. But overall, this has been a lot of fun, because despite having a couple of little intermittent malfunctions with this thing, which they're both failures to feed, which I attribute probably to the magazine. This pistol is 104 years old, and it was made in the Shanghai arsenal, and yet I didn't do half badly with it in this match. Now, to be fair, I was cheating a little bit with the divisions, but I'm not really... That's not a problem. I'm willing to go with that. So there's a conception that all of these Chinese Warlord era pistols are complete garbage, and the reality is some of them absolutely are, but some of them were in fact mass-produced you know, legitimate factory guns like this one. In fact, one of the coolest things I've got in my book is not just a nice overview of these and the production numbers and dates and all that, but actually pictures of a Chinese knockoff of one of these. So it's like the off-brand Chinese knockoff of a Chinese domestic design. And I think that's just fascinatingly cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This was a really interesting experience for me, actually taking one of these out on the clock. This I will trust to shoot. Some of the others, maybe not so much. Anyway, if you're interested or curious about these pistols, about the Chinese Civil War and the Warlord era, definitely check out the Kickstarter for my book, Chinese Domestic Pistols of the Warlord Era. I've got a link to the Kickstarter down in the description text. We've got some really cool options. We've got the Kickstarter only exclusive cover design, which I think you'll get a kick out of. Check that all out. Thanks for watching. Got my ammo somewhere. There's some ammo.
Got a steel down. Can you stand easy?
No, I get credit for that.
Go ahead.
I get credit for that.
I don't want to get shot with something that weird.
I have used